So I know this will hurt a lot of people today, but these are the 5 signs you will never become a successful trader. You want to hear the unpleasant truth? Most people who call themselves traders will never become one. Not because the market is complex or manipulative, but because they are their own worst enemies. Every day they enter into trades based on emotions, no plan, no discipline, no respect for risk, and then they wonder why they're losing money again. Well, you can know all the patterns, indicators, and candlestick combinations, but if you can't keep a cool head, the market will break you sooner or later. Do you know who becomes a professional? It's not the one who found the holy grail, but the one who stopped acting like an amateur. And in this video, I'll tell you 5 signs that you won't become a successful trader unless you change your approach urgently. I'll be blunt without embellishment, because the market doesn't forgive the overconfident, lazy, and emotional. Why you should watch till the end? Because recognizing your weakness is the first step to professionalism, and because most people blow up not because of bad strategy, but because of bad habits. On my Telegram channel, I analyze real trading mistakes and how you can get out of them. No emotional speeches, no courses, just concrete actions. Where you're losing money, how to change your mindset, and discipline to stop trading water. If you want to finally break out of the cycle of perpetual losses, join us using the link in the description. You are looking for easy money. You want to make money fast. You think trading is a shortcut to wealth, but the market is not an ATM. It's a craft where you first pay with your time, your nerves, and your mistakes. If you want profits here and now, you enter without confirmation, average against the trend, and open trades simply because you haven't traded in a long time. Crazy. This is how negative accounts are born. This is the solution. Change your focus. Don't think on how to make money fast. Think about how not to lose money. Don't think about the profit. Think about survival. Only those who know how not to lose money start to earn consistently. You have no trading journal. You'll be surprised, but 9 out of 10 traders won't record their trades. I mean, they don't even know what mistakes they often make. It's like a pilot flying without instruments. A journal is not a formality. It's a mirror of your psychology. This is the solution. Start a journal. Write everything down, the reason for entry, your emotions, results, and comments. After a month, you will see the patterns, where you trade according to the plan and where you trade based on emotions. Professionals analyze, amateurs make excuses. You don't control risk. This is the most common. I'll just increase the lot size to recoup my losses faster. Congratulations, you're your own liquidity. One bad day and that's it, your deposit gone. If you don't know what percentage you are risking in each trade, you're not a trader, you're just a gambler. Here's the solution. Set yourself a strict rule, not more than 1 to 2% of your deposit per trade. Even if you have a series of losses, you will survive. And that's why big players stay in the market for years, while retail traders disappear after a couple of months. You just don't know how to wait. Are you bored looking at a chart with no movement? Do you start looking for a signal that isn't there? Congratulations, you're a victim of FOMO. You enter not according to the setup, but because suddenly it will leave without me. Crazy. But the market punishes the impatient. Here's what to do. Set a clear filter for trades. If the price hasn't reached the level, if there is no confirmation in terms of volume or structure, don't enter. Boredom is your friend if you're a professional. Chaos begins where there is no patience. You'll never admit your mistakes. After every loss, you look for someone to blame. You blame the news, you blame the market makers, maybe the wrong indicator, but you don't admit that it was your choice, your entry, and your discipline. As long as you make excuses, you're not going to move forward. Solution: stop looking for someone to blame. Every mistake is a lesson you paid for with money. Analyze it. Ask yourself, why did I enter? What provoked me? And write down a rule so that you don't repeat it. Mistakes are not the end if you analyze them. They are the beginning of professionalism. If you find yourself in at least one of these points, don't ignore it. This is not a sentence, it's an opportunity. On my channel, I help traders correct these mistakes systematically, from psychology and risk management to specific setups and daily plans. The link is in the description. Join if you want to become someone who trades with a cool head, not with emotions. In conclusion, trading is never about luck, good fortune, or indicators. It's about character. You can learn hundreds of strategies, but without discipline and self-analysis, you will forever remain on the edge. In short, what I'm saying is that if you want easy money, you will lose everything. If you don't keep a journal, then you don't know who you are as a trader. If you don't control risk, you won't last long. If you don't know how to wait, you will feed the market. And if you don't admit your mistakes, you will never grow. Successful traders are not the chosen ones. They are simply those who have stopped doing stupid things. If you're ready to become one of them, take action. Plan, analyze, wait for confirmation. Respect risk and work on yourself. Subscribe to the channel to follow this path together. The market doesn't wait, but it rewards those who are willing to learn.